What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to do a walk around on a 1967 Mustang. Under the hood, it's got a 289 power steering setup. Pretty clean car all the way around. Nice set of tires. We're going to be going over the whole car, pointing out any flaws that I can find. That way there's no surprises when you get here. After we get done with this video, we're going to take off down the road for a test drive and let you know how it runs and drives. Definitely check out maplemotors.com for 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and transportation. I can ship these cars all over the U.S. Hit that subscribe button for more videos. I post them every single day. Starting up here in the front bumper's looking nice and clean. Does have some minor imperfections in that bumper, light scratches, but for the most part it looks pretty good. See some paint imperfections like that down in there on top, minor chips. See some touch-up marks. Keep rolling down the fender here, pointing out all the little flaws. See if y'all can see all that there. It's one thing we like to do, point out everything we can. There's a scratch at the bottom of the fender there. Looks like some paint runs in the door there. Bottom of the door on this car looks very solid. Mirror's been replaced on this side. Trim looks good around the windows. Some more touch-up marks on the roof there. Get some more in the middle. Some light scratches going this way. Could be buffed out. Some scratch here on the back. And right there. Rear bumper's in the same condition as the front bumper. It's not bad, but it does have some light scratching popping up. Looks like the tail light's been replaced. See some touch-up marks back there on the trunk. Slight dent right here. Same with on top of the trunk. All these little scratches and imperfections we do take pictures of. They're on our website as well. The videos just make it easier to identify where they're exactly at. There's a bubble right here at the bottom of this side in the paint. Kind of running down the bottoms of the doors just to make sure we catch everything. It's got some pitting on the door handle. This mirror's been replaced as well. We've made it around the car now. We're gonna go ahead and pop the trunk, check that out, do some interior shots, and then get y'all underneath this thing. Let me grab the keys out of the floor. Whoa, trunk flew up. Seal around the trunk is new looking. The jambs are nice and clean. Looking all the way around inside the trunk here. We'll go ahead and pull the mat up. See if there's any moisture. It'll look like a little bit on that mat there. But it's looking really solid under here. A little moisture on this side, so it is leaking a little bit. And you can actually tell where it's coming from. Most common area, seems like all classic cars, that back window. Your seal around your back window gets old and it starts leaking, so you can see it running down the fenders. Should be some drains down in here. You see them little holes? Should be on both sides to keep the water from building up. All right, let's go ahead and check the interior out now. Coming up on the door panel, looks like the weather stripping's a little bit dry up top. It still feels good down on the bottom, but I would replace it. You can tell the interior used to be red, or at least that handle was. Check the bottoms of the doors here. The interior looks pretty good. It's definitely showing signs of age. Carpet's been replaced. Tops of the seats have some cracks in them. Let's check the back seat out now. Same thing, top of the back seat. The sun's gotten to it a little bit and dried it out. Headliner wise, this thing looks great. I love the way the dash looks. Go ahead, up in the top right corner, we do a little poll if you think the horn's gonna work on this one or not. We'll go ahead and jump in here and start it up. The dash looks nice and clean. A little bit wavy right there in that area, but it's not all busted up. All right, now hopefully, we've got a pile of keys here. I'm sure they all work something, but I knew I wasn't gonna get it right the first time. I never do. Here we go. It starts up pretty easy. It's really cold right now. Haven't really had time to warm it up. We pulled it back here. I said, chamois it off, get ready to do a video. So it didn't really run at all. I was trying to get the cold start video going. Blower motor's working. Defroster's going up in the dash. Oil pressure gauge came up when we started. Same with the alternator. We'll watch the temp gauge to check. Turn signal lights popping on the dash. Wipers working good. Radio. I don't think the radio works. That's old school right there. And then, let's see if the horn works. No horn on this one. I don't believe it's hooked up. I don't hear any clicking or anything. We'll see under the hood if it's even got one. Go ahead and show you the miles. Need to put a fan shroud on it just so nobody gets hurt. And the motor seems like it's running pretty smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and lay the hood down so that we can check it out. See how easy it is to push down. Nice and easy. Make sure it latches there, because we're getting ready to go on that test drive here in a moment. Definitely be looking for that video. Little spot in the hood there. Imperfections on the edge of the hood. I'm going to try to give y'all some undercarriage shots. I'm just going to stick the camera up under the car. We do have detailed photos of the undercarriages on maplemotors.com, so definitely check that out. We're going to start up here in the front, driver's side, rear, and passenger side. Y'all ready? I do appreciate y'all watching. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button. We post videos like this every single day. Also check out maplemotors.com for financing information. We also have wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, and we can ship these cars all over the country. I do appreciate y'all watching. We're getting ready to go to do a test drive video. I'll have a link shortly here on this screen right at the end of this video. It can take you directly to it. Y'all have a good one. Thanks again, guys.